guys, welcome you to today's video. So in this video, what I'll basically be showing you guys is how you can add a bonus to your manuscript. All right, so how you can add a bonus to your book content. All right, how you can add a bonus to your book. You can use Google Docs, you can use Microsoft Word, all right, regardless of the app you're using to write your book, which is serving as a writing tool. After watching this video, you'll be able to add a bonus to your book, all right, just as what you're seeing right now. And you won't just be doing this, you'll be doing this using the QR code. All right, so don't worry if you don't have any QR code scanner. I will definitely walk you guys through on how you can achieve this at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned and watch till the very end. So before we get started, if this is your first time coming across this channel, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also hit the subscription button. All right, and lastly, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get notified in my subsequent videos. So when I drop video, YouTube will notify you that Toby has dropped a video, so you may want to check it out. And all right, so stay jiggy. So let's get started right away. All right, so what I'll be using is this. I have a bonus I've already created, right? You see, our bonus is another way you see, to win the heart of every shopper. And because I wanted to say any shopper, but let's say every shopper that comes to your that visits your book. Okay, so if there's anyone, because before someone purchases your book, they are not your customer yet until they purchase your book. All right, so they are still a shopper on Amazon, and if your book cover is attractive, and one of the things is, one of the elements that makes your book cover attractive is especially when you include the bonus there on your book cover. Wow, so there's something I'll be getting in this book. Okay, and another thing is the moment they look inside the book and you displayed it. All right, so we have so many approaches to this. All right, so I will just be showing you one of these, which is using the QR code scanner. All right, the advanced method of doing this also, it is when you want to get the email address. Now, don't get me wrong, like I said, you have different approaches, like so many. All right, but there's one that happens to be the most advanced, all right, of them all, which is getting the email address. Okay, I've actually taught that in a book formatting class, right? So, and this is how it works. For instance, now this is a book I wrote. All right, so I published this book a few months ago, anti-inflammatory diet cookbook. Right now, if you scroll down, you see after the title, I have other elements here, which is other books by the author, which I linked them to my book. Now, if you check this is the bonus page now. All right, this is the bonus page, and if you can see this book now, you see that I'm giving out a bonus here, inflammation relief. Okay, I'm giving out a bonus which is inflammation relief. Now, this inflammation relief is more like an exercise, all right, because I wrote a book on inflammation, anti-inflammatory recipes. All right, so I'm giving them exercise now to relieve inflammation. To relieve them of inflammation, right? So this will reduce the inflammation. You see, there are so many things that contribute to sicknesses, right? If you don't work out regularly, if you don't eat the good food, the right foods, right? So what we are providing is just information. We are not like giving them exactly what will cure everything. No, but this will reduce and it will relieve them. All right, so I thought of it, I should just give them an exercise. Instead of including it in my book, I should make it a bonus. All right, so, and I followed the advanced method, which I've already taught in my book formatting masterclass. I covered that already. And the advanced method is this. You see that if you click here to access this copy now, as you can see the click here, so can you see that if you click here to access your complimentary copies, before you could get access to this, you will have to sign up. And why am I doing all of these things? Sorry, I just had to explain these things to you guys before we go into the QR code aspect of it. Now, if you click here, right, you'll be able to get their details, their email address, all right, so that you will be sending them subsequent emails. Are you getting my point now? You'll be sending them subsequent mails. So, should in case you release a new book, you want them to, you see, there's a way you capture. This is more like doing email marketing, right? But this method, you want to You'll be giving them tips. All right, they'll be receiving tips from you. And if it happens that you now publish a new book, you will now write another email that corresponds with what you just published, and you may just attach the link to that mail, all right, so that they can check it out. Are you getting my point now? This is why this one is pretty much it is good if you want to go into the advanced bonus method of it, right? By adding bonus. Now, how do we confirm this? If I click here now, you see it's going to take me to where they will sign up. Okay, so you can see the process now. All right, it's loading. Can you see the way I designed my my form page? There's no, if you fill in these details now, all right, if you fill in your email address, if I fill in an email address here and I click submit, you see, and I click submit, you see the message, access to my compliment, thank you for signing up, kindly check your email folder, your inbox folder to download your complimentary books. Once you go to your folder, you will see a link. I've made everything automated. So this method is kind of advanced. Like I said, it's kind of advanced method if you want to add bonus using this method. But in this very video, the second method I'll be teaching you, it is the QR code. All right, that one is just to scan. That one is straight to the point. You don't need to tell anyone to sign up. They don't need to sign up because you don't need the details. But this method, I needed the details and I want to be getting access to see. I can interact with them. I can have a kind of conversation with them, right? So now let's go into that right away. So this is my bonus. Like I said, this is my bonus. Okay, so I actually created the bonus. So this is the bonus I'm giving them. All right, you see from that form, if you click the link in your email after signing up, I've gotten what I wanted to get, is to get access to your mail. Now if you click the link sent to your mail, all right, I have actually composed a message, so I won't have to go to my email now. But if you click the link, it will take you to this page whereby you have to read this book. And bonuses are the easiest to create. You can use AI to write your bonus. It doesn't have anything to do because you're not uploading it on Amazon. It should just be on your Google Drive. Are you getting my point now? So this method is actually the easiest method because you don't get access to you don't need any further updates from them. All right, ahead. That is it. So with this, you're good to go. So this is the book, and I will just be copying this book. All right, I want to copy the link, but before you copy the link, if you're just the normal way of writing a book, right? So I will click this 3 dots right here. I will come to manage access. Sorry, let's do that again. I will come to manage access. Can you see manage access? Now I will now change this. By default, it will be only you, right? Not anyone. Okay, by default it will be unrestricted, so you want to change it to anyone with the link so that they won't have to be sending requests before they could access the bonus. Are you following up now? So once you're done with that, I will click the 3 dots again and I will select copy link. All right, so once I'm done with that, I will now head over to my browser. Okay, the name of this website is meqr.com. all right, I will drop the link in the description, but you all can see it here. Even if you type it on Google, meqr.com, but I will just drop the link for direct access in the description. So just check the first link, which will be the link to this website, right? So you will check that, and once you get to this page, the next thing I did was to set my browser to desktop site, right? Yeah, I love working on desktop site, so you want to switch it to desktop site, right? You can see it here, so that you get the same interface. So once you're done doing that, you will come here. The first option there, you see link URL. All right, can you see this link URL? So once you tap that, so just click link/URL. The only thing you need to do is just to come here, because you only want to attach a link, right? Not a PDF or whatever. Of course, you can actually upload a PDF. Okay, you can upload your PDF, but you see, you've already uploaded it on a drive, so there's no point in doing that again. Just copy the PDF link directly. So where you see put your link here, so you want to paste your link here. Okay, the next thing you want to do is see this purple button, customize and download QR. Click that. Okay, once you're done with that, scroll down. All right, your QR is generated already. So can you see this? Here is your QR code. All right, the code is actually embedded in this this image you're seeing right away. All right, so this image, the code is embedded. All right, so by default it may be in SVG. All right, this SVG, so you will switch it to PNG so that you will download it as an image. Are you getting my point now? So you download it as an image. So the next thing you want to do is click the purple button underneath and click download. Okay, so you want to download this. Can you see? It is downloaded. So we have it downloaded. It will definitely be in your download folder. All right, so we have our QR code now. Now, how do you confirm this yourself? The white, anybody that is purchasing your book, they know how to scan this already. All right, they know how to scan this, but you yourself, how do you confirm this? Now we have different method. All right, but before we do the confirmation, right, let's try and add our QR code to our book. Okay, so now we go back to my book, not the bonus. I've copied my bonus link already. Right, now go back to my book. Right, now instead of this, I told you at initials that I did this one entails a kind of comprehensive, because I want to be following them up. All right, though this one it's actually one of the best ways. Yeah, because this one you have other works to do by sending them news, and that way it will convert better. Yeah, for some other books you will be publishing. But since if you want to go with the quickest method, which is just scan and go, you don't want to engage with them, you don't want to engage with your buyers. So all I need to do is I will just bring it here. Let me delete this. I will just delete this image is right here. Okay, so all I need to do is just to replace this very image. Okay, let me show you how to add an image, in case not everyone knows how to add an image. This is it. I will click the plus button here. Okay, so I will select image from photos, the very last one. I will click this. All right, all I need to do is just to move it in a little bit. All right, so can you see this now? So can you see this? I can expand it. I can decide to do whatever I want to do with it. Okay, now this is it. Okay, so this is it, and I may want to change it, bring it to the middle. Do you get the point now? Although there are still other ways whereby this image, as it is like this, you can actually take it at the top. You can move it to any angle. All right, but this is just the basic. All right, because we are not actually going too comprehensive so that you won't get confused, right? So this is just the basic, and this is it. All right, so whenever they get your book, they will scan this code. All right, so they will have to scan this code for them to get access to your book. So instead of click here to access your complimentary copies of the books for download, all I need to do is just to I will replace this as scan the QR code, or scan the code to get immediate access to your complimentary books. All right, so it's the same thing as bonus. Scan the code to get access to immediate access to your complimentary books. So with this method, you're good to go, right? So you can actually add a QR code like this to your book and you're good to go. All right, so that is it, guys. So I will just have to back this. All right, so I will leave it the former way. I just have to make use of this very document to teach you guys how you can actually do this. Okay, so that was about that, and our book is back to normal. As you can see, like I said, you can actually carry this image, move it anywhere. All right, so like I said, the other one I taught you guys is just the basic. So if you want to get the advanced book formatting for Google Docs and MS Word, I covered everything in my book formatting masterclass. So you check the link in the description, the second link after the website link. If you want to enroll for the masterclass, of course you can do just that, right? You can see how beautiful this book interior is, and you can see a painted background here. How did we achieve all of this? Will be covered in the book formatting masterclass. So let's continue with the last segment. So the next thing I want to show you guys is how do you confirm this code, right? How do you confirm this code yourself? Now the first method is, if you're using an Infinix device, I don't know about Techno, but I think it should come with Techno as well. This app, this smart scanner app, all right, this smart scanner app happens to come with this phone while I downloaded this. All right, for the purpose of this video, should in case you do not have this on your phone, you will be able to download this from your Play Store. Okay, so this one is Smart Scanner. All right, Smart Scanner app, it helps you to achieve all of this. All you need to do is just to, if you have the if you send this thing to another phone, of course you will just place your camera like this. Okay, so you just have to place your camera like this, but since I already have this, okay, so I won't be placing my camera. All I need to do is just to click here, or click this image icon. All right, so that picture icon, click it. It will take you to the gallery and bring out the image, right? So I will go to download. Sorry, it won't be on that screenshot, be on that download, and I will import the image here. So can you see it has displayed it? Can you see it here? So this is the website. All you need to do is just to tap it. Okay, you see, open your Google Drive. It will take you straight to the drive, to the bonus. So this is how you confirm your QR code, right? So this way you've been able to add a bonus to your book. Simple as ABC. So I will close this now. I will go back to my, you can also use this. Just go to your Play Store, download QR and barcode. You will see this icon. All right, so when you click this, you'll be able to do the same thing. Okay, so the next thing you just need to do is just to click the same icon here. Anywhere you see the picture icon, click the picture icon right here. Click the picture icon, complete with gallery. Okay, so come to download and select the QR code you just downloaded. So can you see? You can copy the code, you can open it, you can just click the code. It will open. Alright, so this is it. And the very last method, if you don't want to download any app on your phone, just go to Google, locate Google on your phone or your Google Chrome, go to the Google browser. You see this this camera lens. Yeah, you see this lens here, so just click the lens. So I'm just showing you different methods, different ways you can do this, right? Camera lens, you see the image here. So when you see the image, you see, but automatically it will scan the code embedded in this image. Yeah, that's the work of Google Lens rather, not camera lens. So you can see the website. So all you need to do is either you click this website or you just click the image directly on the screen. As you can see that I'm clicking it, and once you tap that, it's just going to display the, in fact, can you see, just straight to the point. So with this three method, you will be able to confirm that okay, the QR code is working. Should in case they want to scan it, all right, they might, in fact, they might even decide to screenshot it and crop it out. All right, so they might want to crop it out and take it to the Google Chrome or Google Lens to get the code and get access to your book. All right, so guys, this way you've been able to achieve all of these things. Okay, and the reason why the other method is kind of the first comprehensive method is kind of different is because nobody will be able to access your book or your bonus without purchasing your book, and they won't be able to access your bonus even if they do the click here. They won't be able to access your bonus if they don't sign up. So that way we can interact with our customers. I can be sending them mails consistently until they purchase my book, I mean subsequent books rather, because for me to have them on my list means they've actually purchased my book. So the way I did that, I made sure that there's no way you can get access to my bonus without purchasing my book. I hope that is understood.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so in addition to the video where I mentioned that I don't actually want to go into my email right now, so I just had to show you this to see how structured my content actually is. Alright, so you can see this now. So this is it. Don't forget, this was the email address I used, right? This was the email address I used while signing up on the form, right? And you can check the time, 11:39, right? Today. So I just have to come open this now. So you can see, the moment you leave that page, this is the message that will come to your DM, to your email. All right, so you can see how beautiful it is now. Welcome, access your free books and stay tuned for more exciting updates, right? I actually did this, and you can see the way I passed my message across beautifully. You can see carefully. If you are cool, Dear Miracle, alright? Don't forget that was the name I used in the video. If you skip that, go back and watch it. You understand what I'm saying? Welcome you to my space. I'm true to. Can you see? Like I said, I covered this in my book formatting masterclass. All right, so if you want to learn how to do this, okay, so you can just click the second link as stated earlier. Click the second link in the description below and you can learn how to format your books. And not only that, I actually covered how you can actually own your own YouTube channel and how you can sell your books using a YouTube channel and a blog. All right, so click the link to learn more about what you'll be getting when you enroll for the book formatting masterclass. All right, so if I do the download me now, you can see I hope you enjoy the captivating read, right? Captivating read, and I look forward to bringing you more. Can you see the way everything is here? Should you have any questions or simply want to share your thoughts, feel free to reach out to me here. Now, if I click here now, just send me any email. I have embedded everything there, guys. So everything is so perfect. All right, and if I click download me, just open it with your drive. And this is it. Can you see? You get access to the 2-in-1, both part 1 and part 2, volume 1 and volume 2. If I want to open it with my Google Drive, so for better viewing experience, you see everything is perfect. All right, just straight to the folder, my free book access, as you can see, straight to the folder, and you get the volume 1, you get the volume 2. So guys, if you want to learn how to do all of these things without stress, to learn the perfect and advanced book formatting and how you can add bonuses to your book with this advanced method of getting access to your customers' email address and be able to send them emails afterwards, then the book formatting masterclass is for you. You get a whole lot to learn from YouTube, from video editing. Everything is there for you. See you guys in my next video.